Yo, what's up? I'm back with another video. Your boy J Star. Listen, I have found me a dash cam. So far, I'm actually installing it now, so I'm gonna show y'all which camera I got and how I'm installing it, and if I think you guys should get it. So if you want, after this video, I can do a follow-up video on the actual dash cam, how I like it and all that good stuff. But this video is just to show you guys what I got. You know, I'll be trying to update y'all like ASAP. All right, so I literally just got it today. I'm installing it right now. I actually put it up and I'm putting it in, and I was like, let me make this video for y'all. All right, so don't judge the hair. It's one of them days where I don't care about that, you know what I'm saying? So this is what I got. It's called the Wolfbox, and this is the model I17. There's this girl on TikTok who she does a lot of like Uber content, and that's what I'm actually about to start doing too. I get a lot of stories where people are like, man, you saved my day, or I needed to talk to you today. You motivated me to do more with my life, or just to do, you know, follow my dreams and stuff like that, right? So I reached out to her because I was doing my homework, and I probably done looked through 20 different dash cams, and I didn't know which one to get. And I asked her because her content was like super crisp. Here it is right here. I'm gonna turn it on so you guys can see. And now you see me, see you, see me, see you. So once again, still figuring out how to work this thing. I know you got the menu buttons right here on this side. And then as you can see, let me focus that for you. You got the different settings that come with it. So hit that button. And then you can actually go to all the different settings in here. Once again, we are learning this together, so once I kind of get better with it and have recorded with it, I'll show you guys, and I'll make sure I drop the link for this in the description as well. So let me go back. Let me see if I can flip it around so you guys can. Oh, I still got the tape on. 1 second. Voila, magic. I was like, what is that? I'm like, what is that, man? So that's what I see right now. And right here you can actually, let me see if I can flip that back. Let's see. Come on, stay focused, baby. Flip it back to me. And right here is the camera, the inside cabin. You can actually move it up and down, which I think is pretty dope. All right, so right now, to set it up, I have the cord running up here. And actually this car is real easy. You could just literally just, with your fingers, tuck it behind here. And then actually around there. Now the box comes with, as soon as I find it, haha, voila, comes with this. So you literally can just like take it and push it in like that once you get it there. So let me go to the other side so y'all can come with me to finish installing this. All right, so I got it. I'm gonna just tuck it here. See, I don't even need right now, I don't need this thing. But I think what I'm gonna do is once I get it flowing, see right here, so I might need it to kind of stick it in a little bit further. Then see, it's coming out. Hold on. I'm trying to like record with one hand, install with another hand or fingers. So I'm just tuck that in, and I'm gonna go back behind myself and stick it even more. See, now right here it gets a little difficult. It's not as easy as the top was. So let me see. And I might just like pull that out. Yeah. Hold up. All right, guys, so if you can see, I actually just pulled pull this down. It just pops out, and then you can pop it right back in after you install it. So I'm gonna put the whole cord down. Now I can stick my fingers down here a little bit more. I should be able to stuff the cord, and then I'll probably just run it down here and through here. And then what I did, so you guys don't have to do, you don't have to pull this. You can literally just run it this way, tuck it in with the crowbar that they give you, and you can kind of just like pull this and tuck it in and run it down all the way down here. Right now, what I did is that I brought it all the way down, and I was going to bring it all the way down here and across, but it's not that long because of this. You have to bring it all the way down and around and up instead of just straight across. So what I did is I brought it down right between here, and then I brought it here, and then you can see I tucked it right there. I'm gonna tuck it some more. I ran it this way, still gotta tuck it. Ran it all the way across. I'm gonna make that neater, and then I tucked it all the way here until the cigarette lighter inside here. Now when you get right here, it gets a little tricky. It's not little, it's actually really tight. So instead of trying to push the wire just straight through with the crowbar, take the crowbar. Ugh. Come on. Oh, the crowbars are here. Oh, hold on, guys. Take the crowbar and just pry it up. Stick that through, lift it up, and do it all the way across. And as you lift it, just push the wire in. Lift and push, and then you should get it a little neat like that. So right here, I'm gonna just fix that, make all this neater, because I don't like nothing I do to be messy. I don't do nothing messy, man. So push all that, make sure all that's looking good when I'm done. But I just wanted to show you guys how I ran it. I would have ran it all the way down here and tucked it in here, but the cord's not long enough to do all that and still make it here. So if you guys got any questions, if you guys want to see anything else, let me know, and then I will make another video on the road test and how everything looks. All right, and until then, you know. Yeah, the hair fell. It got real in here.
All I wanted was to be more, Grew up in the city, call it be more, yeah. Skinny nigga, crooked teeth, trying to fit in, but I never had to.